Hello everyone, if you want to add a search bar to WordPress website, then this video is for you. I will show you guys step by step how you can easily add and customize the search bar into WordPress header. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, hit on edit site or go to the WordPress dashboard. Then guys, this is the WordPress dashboard. Then hit on my home, then go directly to edit site. Then guys, it will take you directly to WordPress editor. Then we'll show you how we can easily edit and add the search bar into WordPress header without using any application or paid version application. So guys, after opening the editor WordPress, then go and hit on the header section first. Then make sure to select and double click into header section. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, it will take you directly to edit the header section. If I want to add your logo and customize the title, then if you want to customize also the navigation menu, then guys, in the middle, just hit on add block. Then hit the plus icon. Then in the search bar, tap search bar. Again, hit on search bar. Then automatically it will add it into WordPress header. Then I will show you can easily customize it. If you want to first guys, toggle search label, then select the toggle search label. As you see guys, it will remove the title search on the top. Again, it will add it successfully. If you want to add welcome for example, or then guys, in the center, change button position. The button position, if you want to change it, like the into or inside the search bar, like this, or no button, for example, like this, or if you want to select, I prefer to button outside, like this. Then guys, use a button with icon, for example. If you want to add use button with icon like this or like this, then guys, make it blood like this, the title blood. Then if you want to copy and or duplicate it, then guys, if you want to drag it into WordPress header, then if you want to select partner block row, for example, like this, then guys, this is the easy method to customize and add the search bar into WordPress header with the easy method. Then hit save. Then automatically your search bar, it will add it successfully into WordPress website. Then guys, go back and open your site again and reload your site. Then wait a few seconds. Now guys, your search bar was added successfully to your WordPress account, to WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.